Everybody, so what I'm doing is that last time we had this longest word, and I said like you can keep an empty variable here for the longest word, and here you can use for loop. So I will just give you some more help. Let's see if it helps or not. So let's say I have two words, and so word 1, which is equal to hello, and the okay, and I have word 2, which has world. So what I'm doing is that, so other thing, I'm sitting outside, so if you have any if you hear extra sounds, I apologize for that, but try to follow my code. So what I'm having is that I have two words and I'm trying to find the longest word. So I can have another variable here. I will say longest, and I will keep it empty, and here I have if condition. So I am checking the length of words, so which one is longer. So for that I will use the len function. Len of word 1 is greater than len of word 2, and that's it. And if this is true, then print, oh sorry, not print, keep make the longest equal to word 1. Else what you can do is that if this is not true, then word 2 should be longest. So I will say longest is equal to word 2. So now right now my both the words are same length, so I should just say universe. So I have one word as a longer, so universe is clearly longer. So after I am done with this, what I will do is that just print my longest to see which one is the longest. Control S, F5. I have universe as longest word, so universe is my longest. I can here, instead of this, I can just say hello to the Python universe. So my this word 1 is now longest, and now word 1 is longest. So what you have to do is that here I said you can make a longest in the for loop, instead of like if you have to have a for loop, and in the for loop you will check for each word which is longer. The other problem here is that in the for loop you will only have one word at a time, so you cannot have word 1 and word 2. For that, what you can do is that here also, like before for loop, you will have another variable which will start with empty, but each time you have a word, you save that word into previous, and then for the first time that first word will be the longest, because nothing, it is not compared to anything. But for second time, previous will have that word which was checked on the previous iteration, but current word will have the current iteration word. So what you have to do is that compare previous and the word. So previous and the word, and you compare that, and then you can see which one is longest, and that longest will be at the end of for loop. That should be the longest word, and then you can print that out. So that hopefully that helped. If you still have any problem, let me know. Thanks.